Hello student, let's solve one of the most important question from your board exam, 12th board, from the physics here, rotation, that will be a rotational dynamics part. See, during a stunt, cycle is considered to be a particle. Consider cyclist, the person cycle running on this person on a cycle will assume him as a particle. That is what they are doing. Is undertaking horizontal circles inside a cylindrical well of radius 6.5 meter, 0.5 meter, sorry, 6.05 meter, if necessary. Now, if necessary, what further part they are going? They are getting coefficient of friction is 0.5. Coefficient of friction is 0.5. Mu is your 0.5. So how much minimum should the stunt artist maintain? That is the part. How much minimum should stunt? This is the question. Now mass of the artist is given 50 kg here. He or she, it may be boy or girl or male or female. The speed by 20% or how much force of friction will be. Now this is 3 marks question now. He or she increases speed by 20%. The speed is increased by 20%. That's more. So how will be solving very given data? What is the given data we are having here? If you'll observe this part, the given data part, what we are having, just see what is given. One radius 6.05 meter. The mu s coefficient of friction 0.5. The gravity batting in 10 for comfortability rather than taking 9.8, and mass 50 kg. Delta v is changed. Velocity is increased. See, she is in speed is increased. We will consider velocity increase. Delta v, that will be your 20%. So now we have formula for this one. V minimum velocity required or minimum speed required. How much it will be? It is 3 marks question. Remember from board point of view. Now under root rg upon mu s. So mu s. Now this s many times this s will be a suffix part. So remember just part, remember this will be your suffix part here. Mu s, this is your coefficient of friction here. So don't worry about this one is your mu s, that is your this one, sorry, mu s is your coefficient of friction there, and that is it 0.5 written in this way. Normally to the suffix s we are writing, here I am writing just mu s directly. So now substitute value 6.05, your rate r into 6.05, that is the radius here. This is the radius here, and what we have next part, that is our this one. We have 10 as your g, and on substituting we are getting value 1.12.1 into 10. This gets converted to 121, and finally we are getting the speed as 11 meter per second there. So minimum required 11 meters is the required minimum speed. Okay. Now, so cyclist is not sliding at every instant. Force of static friction. Now let's find the force. The force will be mass into gravity, mg. That is very easy. That will 50 into 10. That will become 500 Newton there. Okay. So this was one of the question important from the textbook, but from board point of view, it is very important. So finally, we are getting 500 Newton as the this one as your force, and 11 meter per second as your the minimum speed required for the given question. Okay, thank you.